Hello everyone, today I'm going to tell you how you can add a citation and bibliography in your research proposal or thesis or any research document with just a single click. And for this you need to install Mendeley and you need to sign up. You can see my previous video on Mendeley, and I have also given the link of my previous video in the description box. What you need to do, you simply need to click on this option in references, Mendeley site, and this window will open. And for instance, I need to add the citation one here. What I need to do, I need to click on this paper and insert one citation, and here you can see that it is added. And simply for I added this here, and the citation for my paper 3, let's see here. And now what I need to do, I need to enter a bibliography, and for this what I need to do, I need to insert bibliography. To insert the bibliography, what I need to do, I need to click on this and I need to press this option, insert bibliography, and continue. And you can see that bibliography has been added in my document. Thank you so much, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and please share with your friends. Thank you so much.